Yeah, this is working, sorry, I was thinking about that when I was bored here, sorry.
So I'm going to start with an apology. I was told earlier by Paul, wherever he is, I'm not allowed to use my hands whilst I talk, but my father was Italian, I was brought up using my hands, and I ain't going to stop now, so I apologise for my hands. So I'm Ricardo, this is my son Giano. We're the founders of 2bTanned. I'm going to tell you the story of me and Giano is going to tell you the story of 2bTanned. In 2020, Giano graduated from university. Giano was a competitive swimmer when he was younger. He had the opportunity, he had a trial at the Olympics set up. COVID put an end to that, so he didn't get into the Olympics. He wanted to then go and start his career. He was wanting to go into global pharmaceutical sales, and he wanted to leave the house. I didn't want him leaving the house.
So you've got a transmission, I think.
I says to him, give me a year, stay with me, let's start a small business. And he says, what do you want to do? I says, I don't know that yet. We'll work it out if you stay. He says, okay, let's do it.
That was 5 years ago.
2bTanned was born. So that's our story, and I'm going to let Giano tell you the 2bTanned story.
Thanks, Dad. So, what if I told you that the SPF brand, the SPF industry is currently valued at $600 million, but did you know that set to rise to over $900 million by 2033? That is an opportunity, but most importantly, an opportunity for 2bTanned. So what's the problem, you might ask? SPF is so boring. It's clinical, it's medicinal, and surely everyone can agree that white cast is horrendous. But 2bTanned is not about that. 2bTanned is about making SPF sexy, but never compromising on safety. So what's the 2bTanned solution, you might ask? So we're bringing SPF infused tanning products, but they deliver glow, but always deliver protection. They're given premium ingredients, but also an accessible price point. That way, everyone can access it. And you might have seen it, or you might have not, but we're a very social media led brand. We have over 412,000 followers across all our platforms. And I will apologise right now if you've seen my dad on those TikToks. Some are very questionable, but we'll move on past that. So why now? SPF is surging. The term winter SPF is currently up by 85% on Google alone. Customers are wanting everyday protection, but it to be premium. They want a hybrid product, SPF combined with other good skin qualities, and that's how 2bTanned can help. The vision. We want to make tanning smarter. We want to scale our SPF range, and then finally expand into our retail partnerships. We want to continue to reinforce, educate, and also teach our customers across all our social platforms, and also build upon our demographic, which is in 18 to 35-year-olds.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's my son. I would say I'd meet you up in the bar for a little cocktail or so, but I think I need a whiskey after this. If anybody would like to speak to us, we'll be up at the bar after this, and I'd like to meet a few of these. Hopefully you'd like to meet us.